Hey guys, Pre here with the 1969 Camaro. It was coated previously a year ago with a gold package, and now it's here for its annual maintenance watch because it's going to be not debuting, but it's going to be showing off at Festival of Speed in St. Petersburg, Florida. So these wheels are ceramic coated, and you know, we could just rinse them off and call it a day, but since this car is going to be shown off at Festival of Speed, we're going to give it an extra cleaning. So what we would use for aluminum wheels is a degreaser. I would never never use an acid at all aluminum wheels because it would just ruin it. But spray lightly and you just want to agitate. Alright, so after the rinse... 1 second. So now after the rinse, we're gonna... So now after the rinse, we're gonna be giving it a soap down with our Stunzeed pH neutral soap that is safe for ceramic coated cars. After that, we're gonna put a mitt to it and dry it off and bring it inside.
Hey guys, Hunter from Stunzeed here. So our detailer Shay is going to actually go ahead and give the exterior a light polish since there were a few light scratches that the owner was concerned about before Festival of Speed. It's definitely important to use a light correction method here so you don't remove any base layers of coating. We're just looking to polish off the top surface, which will be renewed once we complete the maintenance process.